Hello everyone, I'm Jonas Wadenholm, COO of Sepco Industries Company Limited, and right next to me here is...
My name is Mehta Wisesombat, is CEO of Sepco Industries Limited. Yes.
And we are currently reporting live with a mobile telephone because we're so excited we don't have time to wait for some professional crew. That's because we're now at a very momentous moment, a historic moment. This morning we were where, Dr. Mehta?
Yes, we were signing agreement with the municipality in here in Chachoengsao to come to manage waste management and to do waste to fuel in this plant.
That's right.
Area.
So right here is...
And behind us, of course.
This is the place that actually has...
This is a place we have 200 tons a day coming in a day, and the rest of that is a waste accumulate approximately about 500,000 tons in here.
Back here,
that's it.
500,000 tons sitting there.
99% of the waste is a plastic.
Wow.
That is what you want. That's what we want to generate fuel for us.
Yes. So I'm going to take you on a little tour inside so you can see. I have to prepare you. It's not pretty. This never is. But actually what everyone sees as a big disaster, as a big mess, as a disgusting pile of garbage is actually opportunity for us at Sepco and everyone who partners with us. So let's all get inside and take a look at what's going on.
Yes, welcome. Please.
And here we are at a municipal waste management facility which is owned by the local municipality, but this is another place which Sepco Industries has gotten the right to do waste management. Behind me here, we've got a section which the founders of Sepco have been managing for some time now. However, after this, Sepco is going to be able to take over this whole facility, the whole area. If you look behind me, you can see a lot of resources that are available here for Sepco's use. And you can see here that there's a separation of garbage. Back here you've got these types of bottles, this type of more valuable plastic. This type of plastic, there's no real need to make it into fuel because as it is, it can be recycled and it's a fairly profitable business. However, over here you see a bunch of baled up plastic bags. Inside of all of these packages, those are plastic bags. They're waiting for the Palipatran to turn them into fuel to put in our cars and have another profit stream coming into Sepco. Of course, the most valuable thing about all of this is actually the aspect of helping to clean up waste management operations in a sustainable way, in a self-sustaining way. In other words, we can actually get rid of this massive waste problem at the same time as we have a sustainable business and a profitable business at that. You can see here more of this waste management facility. That's the first receiving area for all the solid municipal waste. It's wet waste. It comes in the garbage trucks, they dump it in there. Inside of there, there's waste management machinery. Well, stay with me, and I'll show you what happens to it. As in many cases around the world, it ends up there. That is excess plastic waste in a landfill. This is just the surface. It's already growing into mountains, but this goes down many, many meters down into the ground. And it goes much farther than what you can possibly see here. If you look over there, that's a very old mound of plastic garbage in this landfill. And when you look at what it is, what's left? Most of it, almost all of it, plastic bags. It's what nobody wants. It's what nobody knows how to deal with. It's what has no value, because it can't be recycled efficiently and it can't be recycled sustainably or profitably. The answer is to turn it into fuel. That's how we're going to make money on this and clean up this disgusting cesspool as well. Look at this. I'd say 99% of what we're seeing here is plastic bags. plastic bags is the enemy that we're going to make our friend by turning it into fuel. Recycled fuel that we will use, actually use in machinery, in trucks, in the same trucks that pick up our garbage every single day. This disgusting sight, which I can tell you, you can't smell through the video, but it stinks. It's going to be pleasant. It's going to look nice. Let's head over here to see what the inside of this building looks like generally. Up there, the closer I get to this first receiving area, the stronger the odor is. It's very, very fresh smell of garbage. Basically what you expect to smell in a garbage dump or a big garbage dumpster. So in here is where all of the garbage arrives. In a moment I'm going to turn around, you get to see it. You can see here, not a pleasant sight. Now in the back there you can see waste management machinery, which Sepco is going to take over and start to manage. All of this here, this is fresh, solid municipal waste, wet garbage. Most of it's plastic bags. And it's sent through those systems and they remove all of the organic waste, as in the other facilities, and separate out the plastic bags. And of course they take away all of the recyclable garbage. Here once again, more bales of plastic bags, ready to be turned into fuel. Now I've climbed up on top of a mound of trash, which is surrounding me as far as I can see. And I can tell you, because we just drove around here, that it's much more than this. You see really old garbage here. There's already starting to be shrubs growing on it. And then over there, you see fresh mounds of trash. 99% of this, guys, is plastic. Look at it. Plastic garbage with a little bit of residual dirt mixed in. This is the disaster that is polluting, that is destroying our planet. Sepco Industries, together with all of our partners, all who believe in this vision, are going to turn this pound of crap, of garbage, of trash, into mountains of gold. The black gold of fuel that we need to fuel the planet. Look over there. As far as you can see, this is just one of tens of thousands of waste management facilities around the world. Landfills just strewn with plastic waste. Now over here, you see a virtually abandoned waste management facility. This is testament to the fact that nobody knows what to do with this mess. People are at a loss. They haven't got a solution. Sepco is going to fully take over the operation of this facility. And we're going to take all of this plastic, bale by bale, kilogram by kilogram, ton by ton, and convert it into fuel. And that fuel is clean, it's environmentally friendly, it can be really actually used in our buses, in our trains, in our ships, in our cars. We have what we see here, a truly circular economy model. And that's not all we're going to do. We're also going to take the rest of the garbage. Like over there in the distance, you can see mountains of organic trash. That can be turned into fertilizers. It can be turned into methane gas. It can be turned into other forms of fuel that we can use. So all of this waste isn't waste at all. It's actually money waiting to be made.